What is going on with you, YouTube? This is Dave from Tech Refresh coming at you with another video. Today we're looking at this Smartish Kung Fu Grip Case. I've been using this case quite a bit. Over the last month, I alternated, well, not alternated, I've only used two cases. I used this Spigen Rugged Armor, which the review is up for that, and the Smartish Kung Fu Grip. Spoiler alert, this is a really good case. We'll talk about it. Before we actually get into the video, one line of business: if you can, go ahead and subscribe. Content will be coming out. Also, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. All right, Kung Fu Grip costs $14.99. Link will be in the description. I got the Purple Rain. Wouldn't have been my first choice. I probably would have chose the black tie affair. Let's snap it on and take a look. Get it in there. Now, I can say first off the bat, if you're familiar with Smartish, Gripzilla is not, or Kung Fu Grip is not the Gripzilla as far as grip goes. It's still great with grip, still has benefits, but ain't nothing Gripzilla when it comes to grip for phone cases. All right, let's take a look. The bottom of the case, you already know, usual suspects, can't beat it. Cutouts are perfect. Along the sides, this is where you get the Kung Fu Grip. It has a textured material. Let's see if we could really take a look. Probably not. You guys probably can't see the texture because of my camera situation, but texture grip, and it has grooves. They're not as deep as the Gripzilla, but the Kung Fu Grip does have these subtle grooves where your hands just rest, your fingers just rest in the grooves. As we move up to the top, cutouts are perfect. Not cutouts, cover volume rockers are perfect. No issues there. Then you got the nice cutout. This case is not too thick, so you do have a nice little cutout for the mute switch up top. Then coming along the top, clean, but it does still have that textured feel. The textured feel is all the way around. And then you got the cover power button there, clicky, tactile. Can't complain about that. And then you have more grooves, and they're hard to see. You probably can't even see them on camera. Oh, wait, maybe. Yeah, there you go. You can see these little indents, and it's just subtle, and you might not even realize it's there until you pick up this case, and you're like, oh, okay, this is different. Along the back, we do have some Smartish branding right there, and then this is like a matte, soft touch back. It's different than the sides. The sides has that textured material, and then you have the soft touch back, which, to be honest, for as much as I use this case, it's aging very well. You can't see a whole lot of wear and tear because the like scratches, you can scratch it, but they just kind of go out after a while. Then I like the camera bump situation because it's not like a lip that comes out. The camera just rests inside the case. Still comes above the lenses. If you guys could see that, right? Still comes above the lenses, but it doesn't protrude too much. It just rests in the case. And then for the protection, let's take a look there. You see it. It's protecting the case. You can put it face down. No worries. Hugs the phone. Great protection. Overall, what do I think about this case? Kung Fu Grip, man. It's a good case. You know, Gripzilla is my absolute favorite from Smartish. But if you are thinking about the Kung Fu Grip, you are not thinking wrong. Does work with Magsafe. I've been charging it with Magsafe every night. Only $14.99, so we getting bang for the buck. Different colors: black tie, purple rain, blues on the green. Nothing to hide. I like that flavor of the month, that flower pattern, chef special. I got the purple rain, man. I'm thinking about buying this case, the black tie affair, to be honest, because this is going to be in a rotation of cases I use for the longevity of this phone. All right. Get active in the comments. Any questions, concerns with this case? You thinking about getting it? You want to compare this to the Gripzilla? Man, you already know how I feel about the Gripzilla. All right, I'll get at you guys another time. Peace.